I'm not going to lie to you, if it feels like the YouTube algorithm is ignoring your small channel, you might actually be right. Now that's not to say that it's the algorithm's fault, so in this video I'm going to show you how it works, how to fix a problem, and a secret weapon that will supercharge your channel. And it all starts with a 1-minute explainer. That's right, I'm going to show you how the algorithm works in 60 seconds and you can follow along with me. Open up an incognito desktop browser and go to youtube.com. Accept the cookies and you'll see this very simple message. Try searching to get started. Start watching videos to help us, that's YouTube, build a feed of videos that you'll love. What the algorithm is basically saying to the viewer here is, I ain't taking any responsibility for the recommendations I give you until you watch something. I need data. So let's say, as a viewer, we are a tech enthusiast, and right now we're interested in the iPhone 17 in particular. All right then, let's watch this video.
I thought this would be the most obvious year ever to go for the...
And now that I'm watching this video, let's see what else is recommended to me. Yep, that seems relevant. I'll watch that. And then I'll watch this, and this, and that. To give this a fair shot, you probably want to watch between 5 and 10 videos on the same topic, and then go back to the homepage. And what do we find here? A lot more videos on the exact or very similar topics. That, in a nutshell, is how the YouTube algorithm works. I, as a viewer, decide what recommendations I am going to see.
The main job of the algorithm is to serve the user when they show up. A lot of creators think about things from the creator perspective. Oh, well, I make a video and then YouTube pushes it out to a bunch of people. For the most part, recommendations and search don't get pushed out. They get kind of pulled from viewers.
That's Todd, by the way. He's been working for YouTube on the algorithm for more than a decade, so if you're going to listen to anybody, it should be him. Of course, new videos should be something YouTube is interested in, but what it gets far more excited about are new and returning viewers visiting the platform. Its primary goal is to serve their needs, and it does it through 20 years of data gathered from billions of users watching, I don't know, a bazillion videos. It's why some of you never get recommended Mr. Beast videos, even though he has 450 million subscribers, but will recommend you videos on that very niche topic from that tiny channel you love to watch. So now you know how the algorithm works. How do you fix it? You don't. Forget about the algorithm. Focus on the audience. You can use this simple incognito viewing session whenever you want to get an understanding of what your audience is watching. But that is just the beginning, because we can turn this mini hack into a permanent resource. All you need to do is create a brand new YouTube account that can be connected to the same Gmail account as your main YouTube channel. Now, this account won't be your new channel, but it will be your perfect viewer. Just like we did before with the incognito session, we're going to search for topics that we're interested in as a viewer of our main channel and watch them. Lots of them, and only videos on that topic. What this will do is create a pure, unpolluted watch history. It tells YouTube, I'm a viewer only interested in this topic, so give me more videos about it. And then, usually 24 hours later, when you go back to the homepage of that YouTube account, it will be dominated by that topic. It tells you as a creator what channels people are watching, what topics they're interested in, and what packaging works for this niche. Now in the YouTube Studio, there is a feature that shows you similar channels to you and similar videos, but it's a very limited number of channels and videos, and it's often not available to small channels and never is. With this technique, you basically have an infinite set of results that you can update in real time. So let's just quickly recap what we've done there. Create a brand new YouTube account. Watch at least 10 videos on the topic that your YouTube channel is about and only videos on that topic. Leave that account for 24 hours and then check back in. This is the most reliable, consistent and transparent way of demonstrating what videos your target audience is pulling towards them from the YouTube algorithm. But wait, there's more. I never said that was the secret weapon. This is. With a vidIQ browser extension installed, you'll see this filters button on YouTube. And what this allows you to do is fine-tune the results you see on screen. So in this example, let's say we are a small channel based on dog training and we want to see what's working for channels under 25,000 subscribers. That's exactly what the filters tool is designed to do. And look at this, a channel with 5,000 subscribers with a monster video about cutting dog nails. maybe that's a topic I should explore further.
Are you scared of cutting a dog's nails too short? Do you want to know how to cut them perfectly every time? My name is AJ, and in this video, I'm going to show you all the techniques, tips, and tricks, as well as my secret technique to cut any dog's nails like a professional.
Yeah, classic tutorial intro there with a nice little hook to keep people watching for that secret technique, kind of what I did in this video that you're still watching. And since we are now on the watch page, we have a new set of video recommendations which are now hyper-focused on a particular topic, which is where we can take advantage of the filters tool again to find even more video ideas, video packaging and outliers that work for small channels. There is a free version of the filters tool if you want to check it out, but if you want to unlock the full potential of the tool along with everything else here at vidIQ, from a script writing tool to a thumbnail generator, then I have an exclusive bonus just for you for getting this far into the video. Check out the description for more details. Look, we can try and tell you how the YouTube algorithm works 100 different ways. But if you can show yourself by simply acting as a viewer, you will have the best research tool you could ever ask for, meaning you should get a load more of these in the future. And as for that filters tool, well, you just got a sneak peek at how powerful it is. This is how you unlock its full potential.